If you feel wobbly or unsure on your skates, like you're just rolling and hoping for the best, you're probably missing a few key basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple skills that will instantly help you feel more in control. If you're still a beginner, these 3 skills are definitely the ones that you want to have under your belt to feel confident when you're learning. Hey, I'm Tracy, I'm from Suns Out Skates Out, and I teach adults how to skate with confidence, both in person and online. So the first one is a T-start. If you've ever tried to start skating and you either roll backwards or you do a bit of a shuffle to get going, this is where you will use a T-start. So you're going to start with your skates in a T position. You're bending and putting your weight into the front foot while the back foot pushes out of all 4 wheels to the back. We're not pushing out to the side, it's pushing to the back. If you push out to the side, it's not going to drive you forward. This T-start is actually the position that I'm in right now. And you can see if you just stand in this position, your skates aren't going to roll out from underneath you. So it's a really good standing position as well as a starting position. So you can see here this T-start just makes starting so much more smoother versus standing here and then starting to get going. All right, the next skill is turning corners. This is where I see a lot of beginners stiffen up. You'll find yourself coming up to a corner, you'll start to panic, you start to rush, and then you get really wobbly. So the way to get around a corner comfortably, go into a slight staggered position, 1 foot in front of the other, the knees stay bent, and you're pressing on the outside edge of the forward skate. And most people, when they come up to corners, they stay too stiff or too square. So they're not opening up the upper body and not flowing around the corner. And the last skill is getting low. So most beginners stand really tall on their skates, which makes them feel safer, but it actually makes you more unstable. You want to get comfortable with bending your knees and lowering your body, keeping your chest up and just practicing bending down and coming back up. And this crouch here is also a bit of a confidence skill. It's a lot less scary to fall if you're closer to the ground versus being up higher. So just being able to comfortably crouch is going to give you more confidence if you are to fall. And then once you can crouch down all the way, this is where some fun skills like a shoot the duck can come into play, but you want to get comfortable with crouching all the way down first. So if you want to feel more confident and in control on your skates, focus on these 3 skills. Your T-start to get you moving and stay steady, turning your corners with that slight staggered stance, and getting comfortable skating low. If this has helped but you still feel a little bit all over the place, that's why I created my free beginner workshop where I teach you the same 3-step method that I teach my students to build their skills and confidence. I'll link it down below if you'd like to join. So I hope this video has helped you. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Hello, do you like roller skating? I like your scooter.